5 benefits of walking after meals, part 2. Ang paglalakad ng at least 10 minutes after meals is simple yet effective way to enhance our health. So ano pa mga benefits? Number 1, it boosts our metabolism. Tumataas po ang ating metabolic rate every time na naglalakad po tayo at mas nagiging efficient ang calorie burning throughout the day. Therefore, nakakatulong po ito sa ating overall energy level and weight management. Number 2, it reduces the risk of gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD. Ang paglalakad po ay nakakatulong upang mas bumaba ang ating stomach acid at ma-prevent ang pagkakaroon ng hyperacidity and GERD. Actually, remedy po ito upang mabawasan ng discomfort dahil sa heartburn or indigestion. Number 3, it enhances sleep quality. Dahil every time na nakakapag-gentle exercise po tayo like walking can actually regulate the circadian rhythm. Dahil dito, na-improve po ang ating digestion, nababawasan ang ating stress, leading to more restful sleep. Number 4, it also increases our energy levels. Ang paglalakad after meals can clear our mind, improve our focus, and reduce the feelings of fatigue. And number 5, nakakatulong po ito for our weight management dahil nakakapag-prevent po ito ng fat accumulation sa loob ng katawan. Bukod po dito, tumataas din ang daily calorie expenditure every time na tayo po ay nagwo-walking after meals. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!